What's going on, guys? So the day has come. We pushed it off for a while hoping to have the other motor done in time, but it seemed like the head gasket finally completely took a crap. The car's misfiring a little bit, so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna do the head gasket swap. I was hoping to not have to do it and just throw the other motor in, but since it's still at the machine shop and I do want to still throw a boost at it and drive it around, we're gonna do head gasket swap today. So hopefully the head isn't warped. If it is or isn't, we're putting it back on anyway. We're gonna give it a shot. So we're just gonna throw a FelPro head gasket on it. We're not gonna go kinetic or anything like that on this motor. So we're gonna rip it apart. Pretty much gonna try to do the least that we can while still getting the head off. So we're probably, let me pop the hood. God damn it. So what we're probably gonna do is take off the turbo manifold, kind of hang it there or something, but maybe a bungee cord or whatnot. Take off the top cover for the timing belt on the cam gear, and probably, gonna take off the distributor also. So the goal is gonna be having it so we don't have to take off as much. So I want to just kind of have the head lifted. I'll probably prop it up. I saw some guy on the internet like prop it up with some sockets. That way we can clean the block, clean the head, and put it back on. So we're gonna give that a shot, try to see. If not, worst case, we'll take the head completely off, but if I don't have to, I won't do it. Take it off the cover for the cam gear. There's a little 10mm there and one down there, and then it should come right off. So let's give it a try. We're gonna loosen this top part here, take it off, take off here, these two bolts here, and what we're pretty much gonna do is just tilt the cam a little bit. I actually saw a hack on a video. I'll leave in the description his in-depth video on how to do the head gasket. So we're gonna tilt it to the side and then slide the belt off. Went ahead and marked the cam gear and the belt with where it lines up, so we know we put it in the exact same spot when we put it back on. So now let's go ahead and take the cam out. Let's tilt the cam and then slide off the belt. Shouldn't be too high.
Can you slide the cam out or no? The line is keeping it.
I know. They said that's our biggest enemy too.
Got it.
There you go. Let's try to see if we can clean some of this oil up a bit.
Yeah, so far so good.
Alright, let's take a look at the bottom of the head.
This one looks like it has a couple drops of water. They don't look horrible. That valve doesn't look the greatest. Whatever. Let's go ahead and clean it up. I'm gonna clean the bottom real quick. Try putting, I don't have a straight edge, I'll probably put like a ruler or something to see if it's straight. Clean it up, put the other gasket on. At the end of the day, this is not the motor we're gonna try to hit 3 something with. This is, I just want this motor to run again. We're able to put them back on like 7 psi, so hopefully we can. We're gonna be using this FelPro PermaTorqueMLS. It's actually an MLS gasket, which is pretty nice. I'm gonna copper coat it. We're not gonna deck the block or anything. We're just gonna clean it up, put it on. So hopefully it'll help seal a bit, and we'll be able to do some Honda things again. Alright guys, I cleaned the surface of the block and the head as much as possible. It's not perfect, but it is a lot better than before. So now we're gonna spray the gasket with the copper crap and then put it on. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably just gonna tighten down the head for tonight and then put the rest of it together tomorrow. Well, for you guys it'll be like another clip after, but let's go ahead and spray that, put it on, and let's do it. Up, you want to make sure that all the bolt holes line up, because if not, then it's not on right. So we got it in, so now let's drop the head on it. Okay, ready?
You tell me, I don't know where it goes. Where's the dowel go? Right here, right? Let me see. Yeah, right here.
Back a little.
You sure? Okay. It fell in?
Yeah.
All the way down?
Looks like it's right on it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna time lapse this so you guys aren't just sitting here watching me tighten this down. So I'm gonna time lapse this. We're doing 36 foot-pounds, and then we're gonna do 49 all the way around, and then 49 on the middle ones. Let's do this. I'm gonna tilt the cam, and then you line up
The red dot?
belt. Yeah. Very nice. What the fuck is that? No way. Oh my god. Oh, this piece is just fucking snapped. I do have another head that's at the machine shop. I might see if I can use that one, since we do have to get another head anyway. I was hoping to have the car running tonight, I guess not. I wasn't even tightening it down yet. I was literally just snugging them all down in the bolt pattern. I mean, the torque sequence, and it just snapped. So, whatever. I'm going to try to put everything else back together without lighting the car on fire. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We're going to take off the rocker assembly now. Thank God my dad remembered we have an extra one from the older head. So he went ahead and went to pick it up at the machine shop, and it's right by his work. I'm going to take off this broken one, show you what happened, and then we'll go from there. So that's the damage, completely snapped there. So the diagram that AutoZone has tells you to start on the outside, and it's my fault for using an AutoZone one, but if you ever see it, don't use it. It says to start tightening on the outside. I'll put the diagram somewhere here that they showed, which is wrong. I found another diagram that shows you starting in the middle and working out, which is a smart way to do it. I just thought, I don't know what was going on. I just wanted the car running, but definitely fool's move on me. But yeah, guys, please don't start on the outside in. Logically speaking, you need to start on the inside. That way you can push the valves down as you're putting the pressure, but I didn't. It broke, so walk of shame. Let's take this off. Let's put the other one on. So the one that we broke was this one. As you can see, big oof. So then we had a spare one from the other motor. But as you can see, whoever was running that car completely destroyed it. Alright guys, so I didn't film actually anything else that day. I was pretty upset, pretty annoyed. But pretty much
both of the rocker assemblies are messed up, so we gotta buy a new one. I was able to find one online thanks to Javi Phantom XRS. He found me one online, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy it, and hopefully it'll be here by this weekend so we can install it. See you guys on the next video when hopefully the car is running.